Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to receive money through Western Union. Well, this is simple. To see what option we have to receive money, we're gonna click or we're gonna find Western Union in our browser, and then we're gonna click the first page. The first page will that will show us. Okay, we're gonna click right here, and then we're gonna create an account if you want, or you can directly click this button right here. That means send money. Okay, we're gonna click send money. Okay, we're gonna wait to uh, until this page will completely load, and then we're gonna click right here to select a country. Okay, depending on what country you select, you wanna or you choose, you're gonna select the the way to receive the money. As you can see right here, we have three options. Okay, the first option is really simple. We have three options right here. As you can see, we have cash pickup is really simple. You will uh, move to a affiliate Western Union location, and then you will receive the money through a code. Uh, okay, this code is sent to you by the person making the transfer. Okay, also we have bank account. Bank account is a simple a sound as an action that you need to, if you root number or your account number of your bank, and then the person that is transfer in this auction is really simple. The person who will make the transfer will do so to your account number. Okay, and it's really simple. And we have third auction right here is mobile wallet. This auction is really simple, similar to bank account, and um, you need to share your information of your mobile wallet, and then the person who will make the transfer will do so to your account. Okay, or to your mobile wallet. It's very simple. We have three auctions, but But if you are in another country like um, uh, Argentina, you're gonna see that is changing the auction. Okay, so keep in mind. Well, if this video was helpful, please comment and subscribe.